Assalamualaikum. Today our group are going to present assignment starting. We will start our presentation with FARISYA, who is going to explain question 1. My name is FARISYA and I will present question 1. As you can see in the slide, there is the original diagram that we obtained from the question given, and this one is the FPD diagram that we sketch by using the original diagram. We need to find the angle of KHP triangle by using the trigonometric equation. Tangent alpha equal to KB over HB, and the alpha that we obtain is 26.565 degree. Next, from the geometry of the figure above, the summation angle of IFH, IFJ, and JFE that is equal to 180 degree. We can find the beta angle, where IFH and IFJ is equal to 90 degree minus alpha. By substitute the equation, we will obtain the beta equal to 53.13 degree. Next, we need to find the length of HI member, where the length of HI member is equal with IJ member and JK member. By using the trigonometric equation, cos alpha equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, the equation that we obtain is cos alpha equal to 4 over HI member, where HI equal to 4 over cos alpha, and we substitute alpha equal to 26.565 degree, and we will obtain the HI member equal to 4.4721 meter. We need to find the length of JE member. Firstly, we need to look at the length of FE member, where FE member is equal to HV minus HF minus EV, where EV is equal to EQ over 2. And the length of FE that we will obtain is 6.46 meter. Next, to find the length of JE member, by using the square root of FJ square plus FE square minus 2JF times FE cos beta. By substitute each of the measurement, we will obtain the JE equal to 5.288 meter. Next, after we obtain the JE member line, we can find the angle of gamma by using the sine rule, where FJ over sine gamma equal to JE over sine beta, where FJ is equal to 5 and JE equal to 5.288. We can obtain gamma equal to 49.15 degree. HF member, HI equal to HF cos alpha, HF equal to HI over cos alpha, where HI equal to 4.4721 and alpha equal to 26.565 degree. The length of HF member is equal to 5. After that, we need to find the length of HG member, where HG equal to HF cos 60 And you can see the diagram in the slide. It shows that the angle of FHG triangle. By substitute HF equal to 5, HG, we will obtain the HG length equal to 2.5 meter. After that, we also need to find the distance between point H and G. As I put it as x, where x equal to hg cos 60, where hg is equal to 2.5. The length of x we obtain is 1.25 meter. After we obtain all of, after that, we can find the force of FH member, where by using the moment at point J, where the summation moment J is equal to 0, where the force is, the first force is the 25 times 10 power of 3. There's a force given in the diagram times the distance, perpendicular distance, 6.75, plus the force of FH times the perpendicular distance 4 is equal to 0. Then for FH is equal to negative 168,750. The force of FH that we obtain is negative 42187.5 Newton meter, which is the negative sign is the symbol of it is the compression force. Next, we can find the force of PQ, but since force of FH is equal to the force PQ but in opposite direction, so we can state that force PQ is equal to 42187.5 Newton meter, which is a tension force. Next, we need to find the equation of equilibrium at H, where the summation moment at point H is equal to 0. Where the first resultant force is FEJ sine gamma time perpendicular distance 8 plus FEJ cos gamma times perpendicular distance 4 plus 25 multiplied by x equal to 0, and 8.66772 FEJ is equal to negative 31.25. The FEJ, the force of EJ that we obtain is negative 3.6053 kilonewton, and also known as compression force. Next, by the Bezier equation, by using the summation of y-axis at the y-axis equal to 0, we can find force of Kj that equal to 49794.01 Newton, known as tension. Looking at the slide, we can find the F of ds, force of ds. uh, we, where I let P become the arm for the FDS at a point K, and then by using the equation of equilibrium at point K, the summation moment K is equal to 0. The force ds times P minus 25 multiplied by 18 minus x plus 25 multiplied by 18 minus x equal to 0. We can find the F we can find the force ds is equal to 0. Um, Hence, FDS is 0 force member. It only acts as the support.
My name is Aisha. I will present question 2. First we must draw FBD from this diagram. As you can see here, this is our full body diagram for the question 2. First, kita kena satu dulu moment seperti biasa. Kita buat AY, AX, BY, BX untuk resolve. First kita kena cari moment dekat A. As you can see here, force darab dengan 0.024 and BY darab dengan 0.096. Mana saya dapat semua ni 0.096 mm tukar kepada meter. So kita akan dapat 0.096 and 0.024. And then kita pindah BY ke sini, darab je F dengan 0.024. And after that we transfer it, dia akan jadi bahagi. And then kita akan dapat equation 1. And then for the second body diagram, free body diagram ni kita resolve daripada point B to point C. As you can see here, moment dia kita ambil je BX darab dengan 0.024 and yang 300 darab dengan 460 tolak 12 ni, saya lupa nak tukar dia jadi meter, tapi I think the answer is going to be same answer. We will get the same answer. And then after we resolve, we multiply it as usual, and then we will get equation 2, which is BY equal to 11,200 Newton. And then we substitute equation 1 into equation 2 to get the force, and then we will get force, and we will get the answer, which is 44.8 kilonewton. For the question 3, I will present. First, we must draw again a full body diagram for the question. As you can see here, this is my full body diagram, my FBD. Here, our FBD at the bucket. Mana dapat 1,500 ni sebab 300 kena bahagi dengan 2. Dapat 1,500. Kenapa kena bahagi dengan 2? Sebab dia adalah, dalam question dia minta 1/2 support. So we must multiply with 1/2, which is we gonna get 1,500 Newton. And then as usual, we resolve our point at D, and then we will find the moment at the point D. Moment at point D, FAB darab dengan 40. Mana dapat 40? Dalam question dia ada bagi dalam question 40. So FAB darab dengan 40 tolak dengan 1,500 darab dengan 40, and then kita akan dapat FAB. And then kita akan tengok FBD dekat point BCE pula. As you can see here, BCE tu kita resolve seperti biasa. Kita ambil balik point FAB, and then kita letak balik kat sini untuk memudahkan lagi jalan kerja kita. First kita nak cari moment dekat E. But before nak cari moment dekat E, kita kena cari sudut dekat ni at D, at point D, which is we're gonna use tangent 20/50, and then we got 21.8 Celsius. kita akan dapat 21.8 darjah, bukan Celsius, sorry. As usual, we gonna resolve at moment E. 1005 darab dengan 0.6. Lepas tu dekat point D ni kita resolve, kita akan dapat cos and sin. Kita darab, kita tambah FTC cos 21.8 darab dengan cos 1.4, and then tolak dengan FTC sin 21.8 darab dengan cos 1.1, and then we will get LCD. After we will resolve moment, we must find fx and part cx and part cy tu. As you can see here, we assume that part cx ke kanan adalah positif, which is make our 1500 negative because dia ke arah sana, dia ke arah negatif. So kita ambil, and then kita ambil ex, and then kita ambil 2659.4 Newton darab dengan cos 21.8, and then kita akan dapat kita punya ex. Kita akan dapat negatif, which is compression, and then after that kita akan buat dekat part cy pula. Ini fy, tersalah, typo. Kita assume ke atas adalah positif, and then we will get EY negative 1000.98, which is compression tu. Aktiviti yang saya akan present adalah from point D, E, F and G. Kita akan buat resolve moment dekat point G. As you can see here, kita ambil je balik nilai yang kita dah dapat tadi. Contoh macam dekat EX tu kita dapat 1002.6, dan dekat EY tu kita dapat 1098. Kita ambil je balik, and then kita masukkan untuk cari moment dekat G, and then dah masukkan, kita akan dapat negatif 14717.83 Newton, which is compression sebab dia negatif. And then after that we resolve dekat FY pula, kita cari jumlah FY pula. Masukkan semua yang ada dekat part CY ni ke dalam FY ni, and then we will get 84,8405.1 Newton. And then sama je seperti X, kita ambil from part CX tu, from point G kita ambil, and then we will get 13912.31 Newton. Dia akan jadi tension juga.
Hello and good morning to everyone. So my name is Ameer FARIHIN member Fuad. So I will be represent about question 4. So we looking for about the free body diagram about this diagram below. So the point of C is separate of 2, which is about CS and CY, and the point of B is through the down the below because of weight, and the point of A is has a force of 240 Newton. So the equation is about theta MC equal to 0. So the equation is about By is multiply with 116 plus 214 multiple 500 equal to 0. So the answer is about By is 700 Newton, 750 Newton downward. So the next is about Fx is also is equal to 0, which is direct to Fy, which is also is equal to 0. So the fact is about Cy is equal to By. So they have the same answer, which is 750 Newton, and Cs is 240 Newton. So last is for free body diagram of CD. So in the top of the below is the point of D that have ds and dy and have 2 points. So the equation of equilibrium is about md is equal to 0, and the calculation is about cx is multiplied multiple with 125 minus cy multiple 300 plus m equal to 0. And the answer of m is about minus 195 kilonewton. So the answer is about 195 kilometer reverse direction. Next question, please. So this is the diagram of question 5. So yeah, next. So this is the free body diagram of question 5. So the first is about the free body diagram of the fool. So P is 250 Newton and Q is 150 Newton. So we want to find the theta, which is the calculation is about tan theta multiple 400 divided with 300, which is we get 53.13 degree. So we take in the moment about B and we get theta MB equal to 0. So we want to find the FAE. So we multiply with sin 53.13 multiple 150 and minus 250 multiple 600 equal to 0. So we get the answer about FAE is 1250 Newton. So we use the equilibrium equation to find BS and BY, which is we get the answer is BS is 900 Newton and BY is 1250. So after that we use the free body diagram for AC to find the tan theta of this theorem Pythagoras. We use the tan theta multiple 300 divided 400, we get the 36.87 degree. So the last is about taking moment about F1. We get to get FDG, which is FDG is use multiple 250 plus 900 multiple 400 minus 1250 multiple 300 equal to 0. So we get the FDG is 60 Newton C. And to find the Fx is Fx plus 60 sin 36.87 degree minus 900 equal to 0 to get Fx is about 864 Newton. And last is Fy. So the answer of Fy is 1202.0 Newton. That's all that for me. Thank you.